Who wants pie? Who wants to take a trip down to FLA? I love whenever I keep a ice cold pint glass in my freezer. Makes it really chilly, and somehow it tastes like my dog's hair. Taste the shed. No sugar needed. World famous author, big game hunter, and Key West resident Ernest Hemingway once wrote, "What is moral is what you feel good after, and what is immoral is what you feel bad after." What you'll feel after eating a slice of this pie is probably in line with ambivalence. And the main ingredient in this pie is high fructose corn syrup. So if you're against that, don't make it. Key limes are known for their tartness, and they would have added a lot of zing to this pie, but unfortunately I couldn't find them. I'll blame the supply line. So I had to fall back on using a little bit of lime, aid, concentrate. Sure, I could have used regular limes, but squeezing that stuff hurts my hands. And sure, I could have whipped up my own whipped cream, which I've done hundreds of times, using powdered sugar, heavy cream, and vanilla extract, but I don't own a blender, and I'm not doing that by hand. And yes, I could have made my own graham cracker crust using crushed graham crackers, butter, and sugar, but I'm just too lazy and I don't own a glass pie plate. So this pie may leave you feeling indifferent, but it is easy, and it's a great last-minute solution to forgetting that you had a potluck that night. It's about 92, 94 degrees outside, somewhere in that territory. I'm wearing a light jacket, blue, absorbs the sun. If you're like me, you like having a cold wedge of pie. When I think of key lime pie, I think of Key West, beautiful sunset festivities, Jimmy Buffett, and of course, turquoise and teal. Tickling the tank. Cod pieces made from the finest, largest cockle shells. Carnivals and coconut oil pumps.
Humans might have gotten separated from him. Hurt them?
Trapping the wild and strange ground squirrel at the Florida tip. If you're a guy like me, when it gets about 94 degrees outside, wear a light jacket, around 12:35, You take a break for a nice piece of ice cold pie. That's how you kind of calibrate the whole system. Keeps it all in check. I'm not really into that type of pie. Deep muscle massages, stealing kisses, stealing hearts in the Safeway bathroom stall. Who wants pie?